They undervalue today. Hey, my name is Peter. Oh, God. Why is today better than tomorrow? Because I have hiccups. Is the only thing we have. Whether it's spend every moment doing... Oh, my goodness. This is going to be a long one. It just means that we spend every moment doing something. Oh, my goodness. The limited... I knew it was coming. That we have... Rate the limited time in front of us. Day after. This is awesome. Like, but not. But the thought. Get excited for another moment in the future. It's like driving, but instead of focusing what's in front of you, you're just... I know it's coming, that's why. That's why I'm laughing. Okay. There it is. Today or tomorrow. Either today, or the present moment. I'll pause for dramatic. I got it. Escape. What if you're the present moment? There we're not. I was so close. Future. This is fucking long now. Fact. I'll pause for can't wait to get married. Friend. And we all is it to plan for 4 hours? I'm gonna do it to spend every day. Spend present moment. You don't want to answer that. And if we don't, I'm gonna redo this.